Chidong Gupjang Ngabjungagu Le Tiringi Nimu Pöji Gesa Lasar Chesum Permiseta Pomo Genshin Tita Gebe Matu Samba Chigdunji Gone Jashungi Pesa Timgeji Zensung Tang Permito Michule Debe Changnu Cheba La Shive Gelan Chebe Pöji Luju To Jedu Mebe Nimushi Yinshin Bochung Loma Namla Kongsenga Kusosu Gonde Kado Pöji Geyi Shoti Cheba Layang Timge Yilu Jode Galdom Chebe Nezu Toshidu Jashungi Chami Jengi Todam Chawa Sebe
Yugalia, Mazu Deride Zomche Lo Chukju Lo Chukju Sheja Labe Kabia Lo Chukju Gitsenundi Chochin Debina Yurum Bushirari Chochin Debina Semacho Shirari Imene Chochin Bajin Debina Lo Chukju Ria Janashungia Mummi Kande Yubine Kazu Yubine Benjo Kande Yubine Manas Pimisu and Tatapolia Janashungia Kate Chadio Lujin and Lolia Mazu Chimichi Debina Debe Lo Chukju Lolia Chidong Jangachu Magulolia, Permitong Chisomongoki, Susu Uchisum Chare, Janaki Pertinzil Yamogochare, Latin in the Bamuchina
work and great moral integrity of Dr. Jianglin Li, a Chinese woman independent scholar who discovered the atrocities of the Chinese treatment of Tibet and who wrote an amazing, many books, several books in Chinese about all the slaughter in Amdo, even before 1959. Hundreds of thousands of people slaughtered and killed mercilessly by Chinese invaders and in Kham. But she wrote this recent book called Tibet in Agony, Lhasa 1959. It's on that you can get an ebook, and it's from the Harvard Press. And she chronicles in that book, with carefully researched accuracy and comprehensive authority, the true story of how Mao and Deng Xiaoping provoked the Tibetan people by threatening the Dalai Lama and carefully planning and ruthlessly executing the massacre of Lhasa. And I wish to honor her, and we should all study this book and honor her effort of a good Chinese scholar who really shows the bad behavior, the deceit, the dishonesty, the murderousness of the Communist Party, the massacre of Lhasa. So we should sear into our memory the vivid facts of what really happened there.
Release the pension Lama now! Release the pension Lama now! People of the world, support Tibet! Free, free, free Tibet! Permeez! Permeez! Kuzatula Damasho! Dalai Lama! Dalai Lama! Permeez! Tibetan! Tibetan! Stop the killing in Tibet! We want justice! We want justice! We want justice! Media freedom in Tibet! Religious freedom in Tibet! Religious freedom in Tibet! Religious freedom in Tibet. Free, free, free Tibet! children die. United Nations, we want justice. United Nations, we want justice. Okay. Long live the Dalai Lama. Long live the Dalai Lama. United Nations, we want justice. United Nations, we want justice.